guys, I'm Abhinav and welcome to College Dekho. In this video, we are going to talk about event management as a career in India. We're going to provide you with all of the details associated with event management career, including the eligibility criteria, courses, colleges, job opportunities, salary prospects, and all of the other details associated with this career. Now starting off, who is an event manager and what does an event manager do? So basically an event manager is a person who organizes various events such as functions, weddings, ceremonies, seminars, conferences, product launches, celebrity performances and various other kinds of events. The main responsibility of an event manager is ensuring that the event is organized flawlessly. He has to ensure that the coordination between various vendors included in the organization of the event coordinate in harmony and all of the demands of the clients are satisfied. It is by no means an easy career and requires a lot of hard work and a lot of footwork. Now moving on to the eligibility or who actually can become an event manager in India. Now to be honest, there is no actual minimum requirement necessary to become an event manager. You can actually become an event manager at any point of time based on your skill alone. However, there are many formal courses available in this field at the graduate as well as the postgraduate level. You can take advantage of these courses to gain some experience as well as the technical know-how on how to perform well as an event manager. These courses help you train professionally and provide you with the necessary management skills as well as the soft skills required in this profession. So there are certificate courses, diploma courses, postgraduate diploma courses as well as MBA courses in the field of event management. To join a certificate or diploma course, you have to complete your class 12th examinations from a recognized board in any stream. For post-graduation courses, the minimum eligibility requirement is a bachelor's level program, again in any stream. You have to check the minimum percentage required for admission depending on your college or the course with which you are taking admission. Now taking a look at event management colleges in India, we find that there is not as much availability of colleges as for many other popular streams, but there are still many good colleges for event management available in India. The IHMs offer a 6-week event facilitator course under the Hunar Se Rozgar Yojana. A 1-year diploma course in event management is available at prominent colleges such as SGI Pune and GICED Mumbai. Two of the main names for event management courses in India are the National Institute of Event Management Mumbai as well as the National Academy of Event Management located in Mumbai. Now the National Academy of Event Management or NAEM does not actually offer a course by itself but instead acts as a counselor which helps you take admission into good quality event management colleges in India. If you want to pursue a postgraduate course in event management, two of the great options available to you include APJ Institute of Mass Communication, which offers an 8-week postgraduate diploma in corporate communication and event management program. At the Amity School of Communications in Delhi, you can pursue a 2-year MBA in public relations and event management. These are all very good colleges that will help you start a career in the field of event management. They provide good placement opportunities as well as have an excellent curriculum to help you become a professional in this field. Now, when it comes to admissions in event management courses, admissions to undergraduate courses are based on merit, which means your class 12th scores will be used to create a merit list by the college. Then the cutoff will be decided based on the availability and you will be asked to finalize admissions in the college by document verification or any other specified process. When it comes to postgraduate courses, again for courses such as PGD, admissions will be merit based. However, for the MBA or PGDM course, you will have to appear for an entrance exam. Some MBA or PGDM colleges may offer direct admissions, but the process is mostly entrance exam based. Now, some colleges might accept national level exams such as CMAT, CAT, XAT, MAT, or some other exams, but some colleges also prefer to conduct their own entrance tests for event management admissions. Now, one of the most important questions that arises in the mind of every student when choosing a career is whether it offers good job opportunities for them or not. Well, event management is a very promising career in this regard and offers excellent job opportunities in the future. This is because more and more individuals as well as companies are choosing to get their events professionally done to ensure that everything goes on perfectly. Event managers can find jobs not only in PR firms but also in advertising firms as private contractors for events such as weddings, holiday celebrations, private functions, as well as corporate events, advertising events, product launches, and the likes. The salary prospects for event managers in India are also great. Starting level salaries can range around 4 to 5 lakhs per annum, and event managers with a good senior level of experience can earn more than 10 lakhs per annum quite easily. Now, the high salary and the good number of job opportunities in the market are not the only things that make event management a good choice of career. For candidates who are good at thinking on their feet, who have good interpersonal skills, and who like to be in a fast-paced environment where they call the shots, this is a good choice of career. However, that does not mean that it does not come with any downsides. Event management can be a stressful career for anybody. It requires a lot of hard work and requires a lot of traveling, it requires a lot of outdoor work, and it is just not a career for the people who quit easily. So that was it, guys. Thanks for sticking till the end of this video, and I hope you learned something new. If you still have any doubts or queries, make sure you post your question on the College Dekho Q&A zone. I will leave the link in the description down below. You can also send your queries directly to me at abhinav.chamoli@collegedekho.com. That is abhinav.chamoli@collegedekho.com. For all of your admission related inquiries or requirements, just dial our student helpline number 1-800-572-9877. That is 1-800-572-9877 and talk to a career counselor today.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.